Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 8, which is the Gulistan of Sadi. Now let's move on to the objective portion of this exercise, where I'm going to discuss exercise related to MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, the slave had never experienced any pleasure, calamity, rule or war. The correct answer is calamity. The second statement is, the boat started tossing means that the boat remained peaceful, started flying, started shaking or sank. The correct answer is started shaking. The third statement is, the slave began to cry and tremble in joy of getting a reward, in fear of being drowned, by seeing others crying, by the punishment inflicted by the king. So the correct answer is in fear of being drowned. The next statement is, the slave was thrown into the water to catch a fish, to drink water, to experience the true danger of life, to swim. The correct answer is to experience the true danger of life. The next statement is, who was Noshirwan? A slave, a sergeant, an accountant, king of Persia. So he was king of Persia. Sixth statement is, the king was famous for his cruelty, justice, injustice or wickedness. He was famous for his justice. Seventh one is, the foundation of oppression was small in the world, means the condition of being ruled justly was found in the world. The foundation building was small. The oppression was not deep rooted. And the last one is, there was little cruelty in the world. So the answer is, the oppression was not deep rooted. The eighth statement is, the king fell seriously ill and all hopes of his recovery enlightened when out of existence were expected or faded. So the correct answer is faded. Ninth statement is, for what purpose did the parents give consent to kill their son? For reputation, for money, to get rid of the naughty boy, to escape the duty of bringing up the boy. So the correct answer is for money. Next statement is, on hearing the words of the boy, the king could not control his army, people, rule or tears. So this is the correct answer, option number D. And the last statement is, the boy saved his life by praying to Qazi, king, parents, God Almighty. So this is the correct answer. So we are done with the exercise of MCQs. Now let's move on to the next exercise of true-false. Make the statement true or false. A Persian slave was not sailing in a king's boat. False. The slave was used to voyaging. False. He had never been to sea before. All the passengers remained quiet except the slave. True. He was pacified by the sergeant. True. The king punished the sergeant for throwing the slave into the water. False. The king of Persia was famous for his justice. True. The boy paid the price of salt. False. The king got the consent of the parents by giving them a huge amount of wealth. True. The boy looked towards the king and smiled. False. He looked toward the sky and smiled. And the last statement is, the king shed the blood of the innocent boy. No, he did not. So we are done with the next exercise of true, false and as well. I hope you have understood this explanation very well. Thank you.